Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending where you come from. How are you? I hope you're doing well this quarantine. Well, welcome to my channel of Sugar, Spice and Everything Nice. Here we talk of lifestyle and travel vlogs. But hello, we are in quarantine, so nobody's traveling. Anyway, you who is watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please click to the subscription button and the notification bell below for you to get more of my videos when I upload. For the people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. Without you, I wouldn't be here where I am. So I'm really humbled and I'm feel so much honored by your subscription. I know you're watching me. I'm back again with my ranting and everything and rambling anyway. So I missed you so much. Guys, what are you doing this quarantine? What have you been up to? Tuongeeni. Because I know, guys, you have been Netflixing, showmaxing, and all the movies you want, reading books and all that. It's okay. It's alright. But now my question is, are you still keeping those smelling fresh as you go for meeting for Zooming? I just came here to show you some fragrances that you need to glow yourself. You need to glow yourself when you're in this quarantine. You need to make up yourself and you need to smell good when you're going to sleep. I don't know which fragrance you use, but I'm here to share for you with fragrances that you need to use this season. Like I was saying, this season I've discovered a fragrance that everyone needs to use. And it's from a company that is called Luron. Luron, I've ever reviewed another product before, but today I'm going to concentrate on a body mist. Body mist is the one that you apply directly to the body. Sometimes people don't differentiate between deodorant, body mist and body spray. But today I'm going to discuss about body mist, because body mist is the one that you use immediately when you come out of the bathroom. You can, after applying your lotion, after applying your other stuff, you later on splash your body with it. It's also called like a body splash, because actually I've discovered a smell that is very working. It's working for me. It's not so tangy, it's not smelling bad, it's not shouting. It's a body mist that is actually fruity, and it's not it can't affect people with issues with asthma. I don't know about you, but pink champagne from Luron is one fragrance that has really enticed my body because it makes me feel smash. Like now, let me tell you, when I came out of the bathroom, I actually applied on my neck. You don't have to apply to many places. You do apply to your elbow parts. I don't know, I call it a wrist or what. There, and then you can do a little bit on your knees. But now this is the best. It smells fruity. It's not having that cockiness. It has some nice smell, and it's good for all sorts of people with kind of smell, and it's not shouting. On a budget, that is the main point. It's on a budget. So his is on your quarantine. Nobody should give me an excuse why you're not gloaming until you have to stay at the couch from morning to evening, smelling the 90s, smelling your onesies. You don't change your onesies. You go for your Zoom meeting with your onesies. You just eat at the couch with your onesies. You sleep with your onesies. All the time onesies. I came here with a product of actually a budget pocket friendly smell. Another thing about these things that I like it is the way it comes. It's a bit quite classy because it's coming with a glass bottle, so it's not even shameful to remove it in front of people, like when you want to smell fresh and you're working and you need to put your armpits on what, like you can see I'm doing it directly to my skin. That's why it's called a body mist. You don't have to feel ashamed to remove this bottle in front of people. So yeah, please, this quarantine, make sure that you apply and keep yourself smelling fresh and smelling good from Luron product. Please, if a Luron person is watching this, we need to review this. I'm really in love with you, with your product. Till next time, God bless you, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Good night, good morning, good evening, depending where you come from. Bye.